I would say if it is my reality, then it is going to be reality of 90% of the people in this world. And somebody who is very ambitious and is procrastinating or is lazy, I'm telling you guys, it is going to consume you from inside. It is going to make you feel hollow, because if you are not chasing it, if you are not working towards it, you're going to feel lost. You are surrounded by the people all the time, and even after everything, we are feeling lost. We just caught up with so many things which distracts us from our main path. There is so much power in the small things. How honest you are with yourself, how clearly you can define your problem, how clearly you can think. There is nothing called as unsuccessful in this world right now. You can either be successful or you can be distracted. It's so difficult for people to get off their phone, although they're feeling that they are getting drained, they are not feeling energized, they are having headaches, they are just feeling so much emotions within them, still they're scrolling and trying to get those dopamine hits. Is kind of drug which is going to steal away your ambition, which is going to steal away your life that you want to live. It is it's very necessary for me to sit here and introspect a little bit, because I think I, for the once in my lifetime, saw what it feels like to be lost. You are surrounded by the people all the time, and even after everything, we are feeling lost. Not just, let me not accommodate you guys, but I first time felt that I am lost. I first time felt all those things which I generally see in the movies, where the main character is sort of lost while being surrounded among the people. The character is laughing, having fun, laughing on the jokes, cracking jokes, but still inside something is there which is eating them from inside. Something is there which is consuming them and making them feel hollow from inside. And by that I mean is that I understood this analogy with my life by introspecting it, that there is ultimate goal in our life, right? So we have this goal where we want to achieve something, but we just caught up with so many things which distracts us from our main path, that we just feel so much disconnected with that goal. And then we feel that where we are. Am I lost? Why I'm not going for my dreams? Why I'm not chasing my dreams? Why I'm not working for my dreams? Why I'm not giving enough hours in a day to work for it, for my passion, something which is there, which is making you feel consumed even more. Because it's very hard for me to speak right now, honestly speaking. It's not really easy. I might cry also, because it is too personal sometimes. But I think this is the reason why I'm here and talking to you, is because it's very crucial for everyone to know that this is something which is going to happen with everyone's life once in a while, I guess. Because if you have dreams, if you are ambitious, and you're not working for it, then you are in a zone where you are going to feel lost. Actually, I'm feeling lost right now. I also felt that I have ADHD, like attention disorder, something kind of that, because I was consuming more of like social media. I was more of like, I had so many screen hours that I started putting that app limit on it. And since I got so much into it, into that distraction, that I just kept on increasing that limit. There is one thing which I know for sure that I want, is to get out of this loop of constantly feeling uh that I want to get better. Sometimes there was a time, I think it was in the month of June, when I was feeling that now I have cracked the algorithm to be consistent, to be disciplined. But I don't know what shifted. There were some tiny moments where I like failed, where I consistently failed, and which caused heroic, and which caused me stumble down. And I came out of that zone where I was creative, where I was disciplined, where I was consistent. And now I realize that there is so much power in the small things. There's so much power in small wins, small decisions, micro decisions which we make. For example, when we are getting up in the morning, what is the first thing we are doing in the morning? Are we journaling? Are we running? Are we doing exercises? Are we meditating? Are we hydrating ourselves? Are we eating healthy? Everything matters. Every small tiny bit of it matters. How honest you are with yourself, how clearly you can define your problem, how clearly you can think, how much clarity we have. This is all be these big things which seems to be like very very far from our reach. Everything is just right here. Everything is just right here. And all we have to do is to tap on those things and acquire them. What I mean by that is to conquer those small moments in our lives. It's very important that we it's very easy actually, right? It's very easy actually to meditate just for 10 minutes, just for 5 minutes, whatever suits you. Just start small. All right, it's very easy to meditate. It's very easy to journal one page, at least one page, or even just one para. Just not even if not just a para, just write those terminologies which you are feeling you want to get rid of. It's so easy to write all these things. It's so easy to be to say the gratitude. It's so easy to you know to drink water, to drink more water. It's so easy, but these thing does not seems easy sometimes. you know this is Now this is the problem when these small tiny things, and we're unable to do all these tiny things which is going to give us like major big impacts. This is so disheartening. This is so disheartening, and this is the reality of, I would say, if it is my reality, then it is going to be reality of 90% of the people in this world. I would say 90%, because everyone uh, is distracted. There is nothing called as unsuccessful in this world right now. Nothing. There Unsuccessful is not the term which exists now. Only distracted is there. You can either be successful or you can be distracted. Otherwise there is nothing which is in your way to stop you, because in this era it's so easy to win. It is so goddamn easy to win that we sometimes forget that all we have to do is just do master those small tiny things, and those small tiny things are the building block of your uh, discipline, of your consistency, everything. And these are the small things which I keep reminding myself to do it. These are small things which actually heals us from our past traumas. And the more we are distracted, the more we are apart from our dreams, and more we just feel isolated from our dreams. And somebody who is very ambitious and is procrastinating or is lazy, I'm telling you guys, it is going to consume you from inside. It is going to make you feel hollow, because if you are not chasing it, if you are not working towards it, if you are not thinking, if you are not feeling guilty about it, that dream is, it's gone. It's either you go for your dreams or you leave your dream. All right, you can either choose to be distracted or you can choose to be successful. This is as simple as it is. And this dopamine hits, and the real reason why people are like so distracted and they are unable to help themselves, feel helpless, is only because of the dopamine hits that they are getting. It's so difficult for people to get off their phone although they are feeling that they are getting drained, they are not feeling energized, they are having headaches, they are just feeling so much emotions within them, still they are scrolling and trying to get those dopamine hits, even though deep inside they know they are doing the worst thing with them, ignoring themselves. Even after that we do it. It's nothing but a drug. It might not seem like it's like a huge drug. But I think social media or this reel or this scrolling is something which is kind of drug, which is going to steal away your ambition, which is going to steal away your life that you want to live. Everybody wants to live a good life, everybody wants to be rich, everybody wants to be have a good partner, everybody wants to do their dream job, everybody wants to buy their dream car, dream bike. But you know what it is there, but what is that thing in their path, what is that obstacle in their path, is that this tiny drugs which we consume every single day, scrolling and scrolling and scrolling. And I will not say that uh, people are doing this. I also consider myself among those people who do this, you know. And I am constantly trying to improve on it every single day. I just try to do it every single day, and for that I think I want to do it, you know. There's and trust me if I say trust me when I say that I'm no better than anybody else. I'm just like you guys. I'm just trying to contemplate this. I'm just trying to understand that how dangerous it is for us. This is very important to have this introspection, because this is the only time when you know your true self. This is the only time when you understand that it's so important for you to sit with yourself, understand what is the problem, work for the problem. It's so important right now. I think that's it for the video, I guess. And yeah, all I want to say at the end of the day is that just go for it. We're not going to stop.